My former name is Joseph Moore. I was a confidential informant for the FBI's Joint Terrorism Task Force from 2007 to 2017. If the KKK had a target, it would be me.
For a period spanning 10 years, Joe Moore, a married father of 3, lived a secret double life as an FBI informant, a key asset in the agency's effort to investigate the Ku Klux Klan. Moore helped the federal government foil at least 2 murder plots in Florida, according to federal agents who testified in court. He was also an active informant when the FBI exposed Klan members working as law enforcement officers in Florida at the city, county, and state levels. But now, Moore is speaking publicly for the first time because he says his life, and that of his family, may be under threat by the KKK and the men he helped take down.
Well, the main reason is to get this information out to the general public before something does happen to me. We live in a constant state of danger.
Bye-bye, Daddy.
Bye-bye, son. You have a good day.
So the identity I have to present in public is the average everyday Joe. But you have to have 2 buckets with you all the time. One bucket is for the family, the other bucket is for safety and security. And you carry those buckets with you everywhere you go. Car. I think that's there. No, it's here. That's Mike, okay. They just moved in, I'm getting used to them. Mike has been here a little while. Hey Mike, this previous job just followed me around.
Like a stall, man.
No, just. The members of the KKK in public, they state that they're a peaceful, law-abiding organization protected by the First Amendment. However, in secret, they constantly discuss violent acts in support of their ideology. They used terms that I wouldn't use. They used terms that began with letter N. And from day one, I decided that I would never use that word, even if it created a more dangerous situation for myself. So when I'm with these guys, I'm in that character. I realize that at any moment, I could hear a bang.
If you were found out during this operation recording these conversations, what do you think would happen to you?
I'd be murdered, without a doubt.
But Moore decided to take that risk anyway. By 2014, he'd become a Grand Nighthawk, or security officer in the KKK. It was then that he was approached by 3 fellow Klan members who were current and former guards at a state prison. They wanted his help to murder a black inmate. One of those guards was Charles Newcomb, the exalted Cyclops of the Florida chapter. Moore alerted his FBI handlers to the plot and began making secret recordings. Eventually, the FBI staged a photo of the inmate's death.
Some people choose to continue to contribute to the problem. Some people choose to be part of the solution.
Moore met up with Newcomb at a gas station to show him the staged photo.
So I remember actually sitting here waiting for Newcomb to pull up. And I was thinking to myself, concentrate on your breathing, keep yourself under control, focus on what you have to do. Don't overthink it.
King, brother.
I do get some of the feelings hearing this video, watching this video, seeing the tree. This tree is that tree.
Moore made this secret recording of Newcomb's reaction to the fake murder photo.
Now, I want to make sure
this is, that y'all are happy with this, and that this is what y'all wanted. Okay?
I am.
Okay.
I was asked by the FBI to begin moving towards uncovering more specific law enforcement agencies. However, the public interest and the public safety issue came up with the murder plot, and that took a priority. So I know that I was on track to uncover more activity in law enforcement, but the immediate threat to the public with the murder plot was a priority, and I was only one person. There was only so much I could do. Over the 10-year span of my operations, I uncovered people that were former military, current military, former law enforcement, current law enforcement, state, local, and county level.
Moore says the 3 current and former prison guards implicated in the murder plot were also actively recruiting new Klan members at the prison. But Florida's Department of Corrections disputes that, telling the AP that the agency found no evidence of wider membership or a systemic problem, and saying in a statement that, quote, any willful breach of our values or participation in illegal activity by FDC staff will result in disciplinary action up to and including dismissal and arrest.
That statement by the state is not accurate based on the facts. From where I sat with the intelligence laid out, I can tell you that none of these agencies have any control over any of it. It is more prevalent and consequential than any of them are willing to admit. If you want to know why people don't trust the police, it's because they have a relative or a friend that they witness being targeted by an extremist who happened to have a badge and a gun. And I know as a fact that this has occurred. I stopped a murder plot of law enforcement officers.